Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide followers on your Facebook business page. This is a useful privacy feature that allows you to control what information is visible to your audience, keeping your follower list private while maintaining your professional presence. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to facebook.com. Once you're there, log into your Facebook business account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. Take a moment to locate the left navigation menu where you'll find your Facebook business page listed, typically under your shortcuts section. Go ahead and click on your business page to access it. Once you click on your page, you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is where you can control various aspects of how your page operates and appears to others. From here, look carefully at the left navigation menu again and find the settings option. This is an important section because it houses all the configuration tools you need to manage your page's privacy and functionality. Click on Settings to proceed. After clicking on Settings, you'll be taken to the Settings and Privacy page. This page contains multiple options organized into different sections, so take your time to navigate through it. On the left navigation menu, you'll need to locate a section called Audience and Visibility. Within this section, look for the menu option labeled Followers and Public Content. This is where Facebook allows you to control who can see your follower information and other public-facing details. Click on Followers and Public Content to open those specific settings. Now comes the key step to hiding your followers. On this page, you'll see various privacy options related to your followers and the content they can view. Look for the setting that says who can see the people and pages you follow. This particular option controls the visibility of your follower list to your audience. Click on it, and a small window will appear with different privacy options. From the choices presented, click on Only Me. By selecting this option, you're setting your follower list to private, which means it will be hidden from your audience and only visible to you. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your followers on your Facebook business page, giving you more control over your page's privacy settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.